Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing one today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jarell, and in today's video, as you can see, we are going to be organizing, putting makeup away. I also want to do a little switching things up from my everyday drawer. I need to move these drawers right here because I did purchase some different drawers, which are the same ones that I do have on this side right here. They're a little bit more spacious than this ones are, so I'm going to be rotating things out and again cleaning up because it is getting out of control. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. But if you're new to my channel, hi again, my name is Jarell. Welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope that you guys are here to stay. I am trying to get to 10K by the end of the year. Hey, listen, I am not going to pressure anybody by subscribing to my channel. If you like what I do, if you have visiting my channel and you like the type of videos that I do, please go ahead and subscribe. If not, that's okay. No hard feelings whatsoever. And also, if you guys can like and comment down below, because that definitely helps me out. And also hyping up this video also helps me out. So you can, there's different ways that you guys can help me out, which I really, truly appreciate. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this mess. To move things away. All right, so we're going to start with this one right here, and this one has been in my collection for so long. You know, it worked for me for a little while, but the drawers are just so little, like it's very limited space for sure. So I went ahead and purchased this one right here from Target, that it's a little bit more spacious, especially in these last three drawers. This one is pretty much the same as the other one, so let's go ahead and see what we can do. All right, so we have some lip glosses, some lipsticks in this one right here, more lip glosses in this size. So let's see how much we can fit. All right, so that is a lot of lip glosses all in one drawer, which is already a win for me. So that's two drawers in one. We have some lipsticks in here. This is just not really organizing, but just moving things to this new drawers right here. Oh my goodness, that looks so much better, right? I am going to now move these liners right here. Definitely, I am going to do a declutter soon, but again, I'm not going to focus on that. I'm just going to focus on moving things around right now. This one for a different drawer, also for a different drawer. Okay, I have some Chanel single shadows. So I'm going to put this Jouer highlighter somewhere else. Liquid eyeshadows. No. Again, this one's right here. I'm going to keep them together. I do have some YSL eyeshadows. Oh my goodness, this fits so great. And look how beautiful that is. Okay, I only have two drawers that I need to transfer. Look how much more spacious everything looks, how well organized, how pretty it looks. I love it. Okay, let me go ahead and now do this ones right here. These are liners that I don't really use much. Again, I do have to do a declutter, but that's gonna be in another day. These are all my MERCIER eyeshadows. I'm going to be able to see the colors, so they are right here on the bottom, so I'm going to turn every single one of them around. You can't tell me that doesn't look good. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Little break. All right, so here is all the makeup that I'm actually just testing out. So I'm going to put it right here on the side because I need to have it available for me just so I can continue on using it and testing it out. But I do have some lip oils as well as some Rare Beauty blushes and bronzers right here. And I'm just going to organize this little area because it is, again, out of control. So let's just get into it. You might see me opening this drawer just because I have my everyday drawer, so I'm not going to organize this part right here just yet. I just want to clear things out from here, so that is what I'm going to do. These are not new, but these are from VISEART. They finally sent fall palettes for short. So here we have all of my eyeshadow primers. I'm just going to organize these drawers, and I'm also going to move some things that are just no longer serving purpose in these drawers right here. Like this one's right here from, they don't even sell them anymore, and I'm sure that they are completely, yeah, completely expired. Yeah, I'm just gonna toss this ones away. I don't even think that we have this brand, and I don't think that I ever use any of these things right here, so I'm just gonna put them away. I'm sure that they should be okay. Again, I've never opened these ones right here, and these ones are from Suva. Yeah, I haven't even opened these ones at all, so I'm just going to go ahead and put them away. I guess I'm gonna declutter after all, especially this drawer right here. This one has been driving me crazy. These P. Louise bases are absolutely amazing, so I'm never gonna get rid of them. Yeah, I'm only going to use them for myself. I don't think that these ones are available anymore from Sigma, but I still use them, so I'm going to keep them. I have my Inglot gel. I also have this MAC Painterly Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. I also have this melt right here, never been open. If it's in the box, it's because it's never been opened before, so I'm going to keep it. This gel liner from Sigma, I don't ever use gel liner. I rather use the one from Inglot if I'm going to use any, but I really don't ever use anything. So I'm going to toss this one because I know that I use that one for sure. I do have this one right here, which is the Princess Cut from MAC. I'm also going to keep my Painterly Paint Pot. Oh my gosh, I have this gel liner which I absolutely love, but I used it so much. The best liner ever, but this has been in my collection for over 6 years. It is time to let it go. Seriously, when it comes to organization and I get really involved, things are moving around so much. It's crazy. So I'm going to move all of my P. Louise base up here. This one from P. Louise. This one is a black base, which we definitely need. I'm gonna put it right there in the front. This one right here from ColourPop, I'm just gonna toss it as well because I can't even open it, and I'm pretty sure it's completely dried out. And this brush right here specifically for a liner from Inglot, it is so good, so I'm just gonna keep it with its gel liner. All right guys, so I do have this little one right here, which is the last one to go through. I do have some brow products in this first 3 drawers where we're gonna tackle right now, and also do some declutter. I do have my perfume in the last drawer, which I am going to keep in this drawer right here because I absolutely love having everything accessible to me. I do have one side that is just for my like fall and winter perfumes, and the other side is for my spring and summer perfumes. I'm going to keep the perfumes in the same spot. They're not gonna move, but this one's right here, these brow products, they gotta go. They got to go. So let's go ahead and take them out. I'm going to keep any tools that I do have in here. On the first drawer, I do have this little lash band that I am going to keep. Eyeshadow primer. So again, we have it in the box. That means that it's new. We haven't touched it. And this one here again is in the box from Charlotte Tilbury. This one is also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one I haven't used in like forever, from Patrick Ta. Let me just see how it actually looks. It smells just fine, so I'm going to keep it. This one here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills wax, and I don't remember like really loving this one right here, but I did use quite a bit of it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all like runny and like watery. I don't think that it's like a good texture anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of it. What was this from Sigma? Oh my goodness, this is so old. It's been here for such a long time. I haven't reached for this one in a very long time. It's very old, so I am going to get rid of it. So this one is from Merit. This one right here is from Charlotte Tilbury. Just in case you're not familiar, it's like super little. I still need to use this one, but I'm going to keep my brow pencils like separate from my gels, just because it will be a lot easier to find things like that. I'm going to keep this one right here, which is the Give Me Brow from Benefit Cosmetics, one of my favorite ones, and it does have a little tint in the shade 6. It is like super quick, easy on the go. Completely forgot that I had it. This one right here is from CoverGirl, also very good gel, just in case you're looking for something a little bit more affordable. It is really nice, especially for every single day, so I do really like this one. This one is a little mini gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills that I really do like. This one right here from NYX, I just purchased not too long ago, so I am going to keep it. I absolutely love this one right here from NYX as well. This one is the Brow Styler like powder. I don't know what exactly it is. It's just not my shade. I don't find it helpful. This right here is a little bit too thick. I don't even think that they carry this one anymore, so I am going to get rid of it. Okay, this is a very old pencil as well, but I do really like the color of that one. And this one, it's a little bit more on the highlighting spot. Look at that, that is so pretty. Okay, I am going to sharpen it and just keep it. This one is the Patrick gel, which I haven't tried in a very long time. I know this is not very exciting, but I am doing a little bit of declutter. Hopefully you guys are finding this entertaining enough. But this one is the Puff Up Brow Wax. I actually do like this ones for like every single day, just to hold my brows in place. I do have another one right here, and this one is the Precisely My Brow Wax as well. This one has a little bit of more color to it. It was like very watery in the very beginning, so hopefully it dried down a little bit, so it's a little bit more manageable. This one right here is in the shade 3.5, and this is the Benefits Goof Proof Brow Pencil, so I am going to keep this one right here. Okay, this one right here is from Sigma, and it is the Clear Brow Gel. I just purchased it not too long ago. I absolutely love this one. It is so good. This one right here is completely dried out. From NYX, I did use it a lot. This is the Thick It Stick It, which I do really like as well, but I am going to toss it. Purchased this one right here not too long ago, which is the Brow Glue, and this one has a little bit of tint to it, so I am going to keep this one. This one right here is the Milk Makeup Kush Brow Lamination. Good for just every single day, like nothing too perfect, but if I wanted something a little bit stronger, this was definitely not going to be my go-to. I do have this one right here that it's a little bit newer, also from Milk Makeup, so I am going to keep it. This one right here is from Pixie Beauty, and I really did like it, especially the brow gel. And we do have the pencil. Is like super easy, again, for every single day on the go. I love this one right here from Dominique Cosmetics so much, and it is messy. This one is from Sigma Beauty, and I cannot deal with it. It's just too messy. Okay, this one right here also has a gel, and this one has been in my collection for such a long time. This one is from Rare Beauty, and yeah, I'm almost out of it. That is all that I have left, so I'm going to keep it just because I am going to use it up. This one right here is new to my collection. Is the wax from Rephr Cosmetics, so I am going to put it with my gels. And I'm also going to put this pomade right here, which is from Benefit Cosmetics, also with the gels. I do have two brow gels that actually you're not seeing in here, which is my Rare Beauty and my L'Oreal one. Those I keep in my table where I actually record. I'm going to keep all of my powders from Benefit Cosmetics as well as Anastasia Beverly Hills. The one that I use the most from Anastasia Beverly Hills is this one right here, which is in Granite. We do have this one right here, which is from Huda Beauty. This ones right here are super tiny. They actually sent this ones to me a while back. I am going to keep it because I like to play with some Huda Beauty products. Brow from CoverGirl, again, super tiny. And it tends to break because it is so small. Like it broke again. Yeah, it broke again. Barely put any pressure, so I am going to just toss it. All right, so I am going to keep this one right here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one right here is from MAC. It is a pen, so I am going to keep it. All right, I don't know if they even have this one right here from MAC. It is super light. You cannot twist it back. That's the only bad thing about it. but I am going to keep it. Of course, I'm going to keep the one from Benefit Cosmetics, the pen. Yeah, this one is definitely so good. Another one from Huda Beauty, the same thing, like, and this one is a different shade. This one is in the shade 7. Let me just keep them and try to see if they actually work once I apply them to my brow. This one right here is from Sigma, which I really do like as well. This one right here is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't even know if they still have this ones, but this one is the brow definer. Super easy to use. I mean, this is the Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you've never used this one, this is so good. I haven't used it in a very long time, so I do need to give it a go. This one right here is from Maybelline. Just trying to find like really good brow products on the drugstore. Sometimes it's really hard because they can turn your brows again red, but this one is so good. Okay, this one is from Hourglass, and I have so much and I do really like it. Maybe like have like 2 usage of it, and I remember loving that one, so I am going to keep it. This one right here from Revlon, unfortunately it is just too big, too big, and no, it's just too creamy. It doesn't work for me. It creates a mess, so I am going to get rid of that one. I am going to keep this one again from Sigma, which is in the shade Dark. This one right here is from NYX, and this one is an oldie but a goodie. Definitely really good. So yeah, definitely going to keep this. I do have the brow pen, and this one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I really remember liking, so I am going to keep it. This one right here is from Charlotte Tilbury. Again, really nice, and I do like it. Sometimes I don't use certain brow products, not because they're bad, like the pencil is bad, it's because sometimes the spoolie is not strong enough to like blend things out, and I don't like that. The one that I absolutely love is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit Cosmetics. That one, the spoolie, the brow pencil, everything is perfection on that one, so I really do like it. This one right here from CoverGirl, yeah, another one that is like super easy to use for every single day, but it is a little messy. We do have a really nice like comb side of it, so I am going to keep it. We do have the brow blade from Urban Decay, so I am going to keep that one as well. And this one right here is a little Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills, so I do have quite a bit of it, so I am going to keep it. And this one right here is the Brow Micro Pen. They don't have it anymore. They completely got rid of it. It wasn't so good. Yeah, it was not good at all, so I am going to get rid of it. All right guys, so everything is already done and over with, so let's go ahead and just put some of my Rare Beauty items in this drawer right here. These are lip oils. All right, so here we have the final test. It looks super cute, but I do need to do so much more. Like I need to organize all of this still. It doesn't go in that area, so that's why it's still over here. This is a little table where I actually film, but it usually is in front of this area right here. But I have to clean this floor. Please excuse the mess. By the way, this is where I keep all of my makeup products. This is what I need to declutter. So let me just give you a little peek of the declutter that I need to do, because it is insane. I do have my eyeshadow palettes. This drawer, look at this drawer. Look at this drawer. It is a mess. I have so much stuff that I need to declutter. Another drawer full of stuff, lippy products that I need to stop buying because there is no need. And then I have all of my foundations, powders, concealers, and yeah, like complexion products in this drawer. Then I have my blushes and bronzers and highlighters in this drawer. And now I have more palettes and cream products in this drawer, more eyeshadow palettes because there's never enough. I do have all of my perfumes in this area. Things that do not belong are all the way up on the top. And here's a drawer. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.